Okay, dear students. So in this case study, you are going to discuss about the ban rate of Food Panda. I hope you might have read this news. So try to give only single suggestion, and if some student already given the same thing, you need not repeat same thing. Okay, be clear with your views. Try to generate as much as thing, because it is very easy as one only thing. You have to think in a different manner. You already thought about this case study, how to reduce the band rate, everything, but the problem here is different. The food delivery app itself lost money in one of the financial year 2019. FY19 means financial year 2019. It lost money. Okay. I think some of you might have known about the Food Panda, how they operated. Now we are unable to track and trace the Food Panda also. Such things are happening. So you should be very, very quick, because depends upon the moderator. First person will get good advantage because he will give his own idea. Other person can't utilize the same idea. So once we finalize the moderator, ready to text with him, or even you can use our uh, WhatsApp to connect with him. Either you can chat in Zoom with that moderator or chat in our WhatsApp group, so that they will call you. Okay. So your answer should be in one line and one line in justification. Try to give very short, nice answer, so that before 4:30 everybody can participate. Okay, that is my aim. So let us go for who is going to be the moderator. Hmm? Who is ready? Come on. Who is going to be the moderator? What happened? Nobody is coming forward. Then I will call from the last person as per my list. If nobody is coming, Irene Jose, some name is there. Irene Jose be the moderator. Okay. Yes, nobody is coming. Irene, I think what happened? Then I have to note the point. Irene, whether you are there? No, it is going on online. Your head of the department, madam, is seeing. Okay, there is no response. Then next moderator will be Grishmaja, MB, microbiology. Grishmaja,
Yes, sir.
are you ready to be moderator?
Yes, sir.
Good. Um, yes, now it is your turn. Okay. Now you can chat with her, and she is going to tell clearly who is going to be the first person to tell the story. Okay. What, Grish? Have you received any chat?
No, sir.
Why my? You can call now. It is your turn. Hmm. Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Nitish.
I think the chat is disabled. I can't find it.
Disabled.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can communicate with our WhatsApp group. Don't worry. Ah. Our WhatsApp group is working. Hmm.
Yes, sir. Sir, can I start, sir?
You can ask her. She is going to decide.
Yes. Can I start, Grishma?
Grishma.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Nitish, you can start.
Yes, sir. I read about Food Panda. The thing, some of the reasons I came across their failure was poor customer support and also communication. Like there was no proper communication between restaurants which
Hmm.
were working with them, and also poor customer support since they are delivering food. So immediate response would be like customers would want immediate response, because since they are ordering foods, maybe
Hmm.
because they are hungry or for some reason they are ordering, so immediate response is very essential in that. So they lacked in that part, sir, so that's why they failed.
That is the reason how you can reduce this cost with that one. That is the lack of doing things.
Yes, sir. I would improve customer service, and also would communicate the communication with the restaurant, like
That
the.
once again it will increase, cost.
Sorry, sir.
It may increase your expenses.
Yes, sir. But for
Hmm.
a shorter duration of time, the expense will increase. But at a when you look at longer duration of time, there will be more income, sir. So
So,
there will be some inception period, sir. Like after the inception period, there will be profit.
so you are expecting more cash runway. Huh? Your
Yes, sir.
runway would be longer.
Yes, sir.
How many months it takes?
Uh, Sir,
Hmm.
I don't have much idea about that, sir. But
You can tell from your assumption. Food Panda, you know about that one.
yes, sir.
Hmm. If you want to rechange everything, the app, everything, within how many days it will recap? Hmm.
Uh, Sir, maybe I would to improve the app. It might take
Hmm.
around 1 month. Uh,
1 month.
yes,
Oh,
sir.
you are very confident.
Yes, sir.
Good.
And also then we'll have to come up with an advertisement wherein we'll try to
Hmm.
gain customers confidence that our customer service has been improved, and like
Hmm.
you there won't be any problem
Hmm.
regarding immediate response or something like that. So
Okay, Nitish.
yes, sir.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
You can see Nitish mentioned about the cash runway as well as he mentioned about the problem. So likewise, you can try to find out different solution. Even you can tell the example of different type of restaurants. Okay. Okay, Grishma, you can call next. Hmm.
Ruby, sir.
Ruby. Okay.
Sir,
So,
I texted, sir, I messaged in the group, sir. So
You message in the group.
sir, I
Oh,
messaged you personally.
okay. She will decide. Don't worry. She will
I
call.
don't, I don't have a number, sir. Okay, fine. Ruby will go.
No, we will. You can put in the group, our group, our generic venture group. Don't worry, Ajit.
Okay, sir. Okay, fine.
Now you can post in the our group itself. Don't worry. It is confidential. Ah, hmm.
So
Yes,
the
Ruby.
yes, sir. So when I read the article, I found out that their delivery cost was also high,
Hmm.
and that was the reason for less
ah,
sales. I guess.
so what you will do to
Sir,
reduce the
I
delivery
actually,
cost?
sir, actually, I didn't have much idea, but we can the cost can depend upon how the place is far from that center. According to that, the cost can be decided.
I think I
Not
expect
profitable.
something more from Ruby. Never say you don't have idea. You know about Swiggy, Zomato, everything. That is why I selected a simple thing. Hmm? How to
Sir,
reduce the delivery cost?
we
Don't
can just decide
worry.
the delivery
Yes, come on.
cost according to the distance from the center and their home, like that.
Yes, good.
According to that kilometers.
Yes, that is called gravity theory in logistics. I think some of you studied, maybe computer science students might have studied the logistics, gravity theory, supply chain, or in production management. Good, Ruby. Your answer is correct.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Grishma. Who is next?
Ajit, you can go next.
Ajit.
Okay.
Okay, good,
So
Ajit.
my personal experience that Food Panda is not that popular as compared to Swiggy and the Uber Eats
Mm,
and Zomato. So I think they can collaborate with some apps like just
mm,
like Uber Eats and
mm,
Ola, so that they can collaborate with them. And just like Uber is having its Uber Eats,
mm,
so the Swiggy and they can offer the food as well as the ride, and they can offer like coupons so that they can market them, and the cost will also reduce because of that.
mm.
And the
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, enough.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
Stephen.
from the Food Panda has already collaborated with Ola, sir.
This
Like
collaborated
it's
with
already
Ola.
have.
Okay,
Yes,
okay. I don't
last
know.
year, and they have faced laws even after that.
Oh, even after loss. Okay, anyhow, Ajit idea is something collaboration, but other person is saying there is a loss even after collaboration. That means Food Panda still they find it very difficult to survey. Some hidden ban rate is there. It is banning. Okay. Anyhow, good answer,
Excuse
Ajit.
me, sir. Sir, can I go the next? Can I go next, sir?
You can ask Grishma. Grishma,
Reshma?
Justin, sir.
Justin.
Okay.
Okay. You can put in our group, don't worry. Hmm.
Sure, sir.
Yes, Justin, come on.
Yes, sir. So
Justin
from
will
the
have a different idea.
so from the article which was given to us, it was shown with two main reasons. One
Hmm.
extensive discount, and second one was delivery charges.
Yes.
These two are the main problem which is causing the burn rate. So for the discount part, like how Google Pay gives a scratch card, you may win, you may not win a discount. They can follow that principle, sir.
Oh,
So the
you
customer
want to touch
keeps
even the discount.
yes, sir. So customer
Okay.
keeps coming back for the discount. They might,
Uh,
might not win. So it's a win-win situation for the customer and the company, sir.
okay.
Second one was delivery charges.
Uh,
Food Panda always follow the
okay,
fixed.
okay. Enough. You can give one example because others will not have chance. Good, Justin. Your idea is good. Even you can go beyond that news also. Okay. Nice. Hmm. Okay.
Blincia, sir.
Who? Blinks.
Blincia.
Blinks.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Blinks.
sir.
Okay, Blinks.
Yes, sir. So according to what I read, the
Hmm.
people who are actually employed over there, they didn't have that much knowledge and they were
Hmm.
very poor at their service. They couldn't manage the app also very well.
Hmm.
So if they could replace those people with better people, then I think it would help them.
So once again, the runway will be more. But whether you are confident with that one, Blinsa?
Yes, sir. It will
Ah.
help them, sir, if they get replaced.
Okay, Blinsa idea is different. Replacement.
Yes,
Even
sir.
in case of operations management, we used to call it this strategy as a re-engineering strategy. Okay,
Yes, sir.
good, Blinsa.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Blisma,
Shreya, sir.
Shreya. Ah.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, Shreya.
So my idea is that a personal problem with Food Panda I faced that time was the location, sir. So
Location. Okay.
yes, so they were not available. Like I went somewhere and it was Food Panda was not available there. They showed that the location is not favorable or something like that. So I have an idea that I saw that Rapido what they does is when they do not hire a permanent employee, they hire people who can do part-time rides also. Like a person who is going to the office would pick someone up and drop them off. So even Food Panda could try that. They can ask people to do the part-time job. So it would be available at every places, like in all the locations. I think, sir, it would be favorable.
Oh, nice idea. Your idea is hiring local people Temporarily.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Even Amazon used that concept in beginning stages. They used to identify local people. Even Flipkart, we have discussed as the case study. That is why Flipkart employed this Ambur Ayyappa, who knows entire Bangalore well. Hmm. Good, Shreya. Okay, Grishma. Can call next.
Krishnendu.
Is the name?
Sir,
Yes.
Krishnendu.
Okay, okay.
Sir, once I got a chance to work with Foodpanda before they were collaborated with Ola.
Oh, you
So,
worked with Food
yes, sir.
Panda. Oh,
Yes, for
nice.
internship, I
Live
got a
example
chance
is
to work.
there. Okay, good, Krishna.
So they were actually trying to target IT companies and all
Mm,
before they were collaborated with Ola. But then the
mm,
thing they introduced was some same as Justin told. They were introducing discounts, but then
mm,
more offers were given by the Foodpanda app. Like if you
mm,
buy a shake from this restaurant, you'll get a shake for free. But
mm,
then when they came up with that idea, they were not really able to implement it in a proper manner. Because
mm,
if I am a customer, if I order a shake and when it
mm,
comes, it turned out to be something else. So
mm,
a lot of customer dissatisfaction was caused there itself.
mm.
When they came up with some offers, they should at least
Offers. Mm,
implement it in a perfect manner. But then they were not able to do that.
mm.
So I guess that was even a mistake on their part, which
Oh,
led to
that
this.
is the banning rate of that one. Even
Yes,
I
sir.
think 2017 I ordered like that. I had number of shakes that. Okay, good, Krishna. And then very good live example. That is ban rate itself is offer rate. It is not an actually offer rate. It is a banning rate for the organization. Good. Next,
Abu, sir.
Abu.
Yes, sir. So the
Yes,
major
Abu.
problem is like
Uh,
the delivery cost. So
mm,
and someone told that even the delivery boys are not like updated with the technology. So
mm,
they can do one thing is like they can introduce a training program for all the delivery boys, and
mm,
also their location knowledge and technical knowledge all can be done.
mm,
So this will reduce the fault, like, or the mistakes they do.
mm. So you have to give training for them.
Yes, sir.
They didn't give training for these people.
So,
Maybe.
but I guess it was minimal. Like we can give a much improved version.
Mm. Because in those days, I think they have not followed the Google Maps, everything. Or they might have followed Google Maps and struck down somewhere else. Usually, in case of even now Ola or Uber, sometimes you are facing that issue because where the tower is, where our location. Good, Abu. So you will solve this issue even with technology, I think so.
Yes, sir. And they can improve the application also.
Mm.
The Foodpanda application.
Okay, good. So according to Abu, the band rate is different. How far you are using the training cost. Okay. Next, Grishma.
No one texted, sir.
No one texted means you can call anybody. Now you are free.
Okay, sir.
Yes, you can call.
Romy.
Romy.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Roni. After a long time, you are talking now. Good.
Yes, sir. Sir, maybe because of the food costs,
Mm.
the burn rate is high.
Food cost.
Yes, sir.
Whether you had any food with Food Panda?
No, sir. When I searched through Google, it showed
Oh, you searched it.
Foodpanda.
How Google is helping us. Good.
Yes, sir. They had food cost was high. That's why the burn rate is high. Then they don't have a wide range of like serving services. And also,
That I accept. Wide range of services. Good. What Romy mentioned that wide range of services is not there in Food Panda compared to the Swiggy and even other Zomato. Okay, that may be the reason. Good, Romy. Where you are now, in Bangalore or somewhere else?
it is Kerala, sir.
Kerala. Whether you are using there Zomato, Swiggy?
No, sir, in my locality, nothing like this.
Nothing like why? So
Eh,
you are waiting to come to Bangalore. Hmm? Good. Hmm. Okay.
Angels.
Grishma, Angel. Okay. Angel will have new idea. Hmm.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, Angel, I'm able to hear you.
Sir, I think to reduce the burn rate, they should hire the right people for the right job. Like for the people who knows better with technology, execution, planning, and then they should bring up their minimum viable product or service so that they can get better customer feedback before financing.
Oh.
So I think they should, research, learn, and then build up.
Hmm. So according to you, a very nice point. Minimum viable product has not been identified by the Food Panda. Without identifying the minimum viable product, they are using in the app. That is the reason for banning rate. Good, Angel. Hmm. Yes, Grishma.
Minu.
Minu Bharati. Okay. Hmm.
Sir, if I was from what Krishnendu said, if I was a customer of Food Panda, I don't feel the quality that the organization or the app is providing me. So I think the organization has to go through a quality analysis and come up with a quality circle, so that the organizers and they get to know the the 360 feedback from the organizer, the customer, and everyone. And also the app might be misleading. For example, from the app I think okay, it's from a big restaurant, but then they come from a small petty shop. That would be really disappointing.
Oh, nice. You can see that is a very interesting thing. Misleading. That is very important thing. If you are having very good technology, sometimes it will may mislead. Even I faced once in Oyo rooms. When I went to Ahmedabad for one meeting in IIM Ahmedabad, I booked Oyo. In Oyo, it shows a very nice room. I thought that it is equivalent to a very good room, and I booked. Even though it is cheap, I assumed that the room likes nice. It is also cheap. Why can't we can use that one? But finally, when I entered into that place, I faced lot of problems. See that one, very nice. So when you are using your technology, you should have the knowledge of physical things, what is happening there. That is called thinking in vacuum. Good. Hmm. Yes, Krishma, you can call next.
Ahmad.
Ahmad. Oh, nice.
Yes, sir.
Ahmad. Yes, Ahmad.
So what I think is like, for example, for Swiggy, sir, when you order food and then you're not happy with the food, you can request for a full-fledged refund. So I don't know if they're giving it from their pocket or they're going to take it from the restaurant. But if Food Panda also used to do it, so I think if they could have more stricter laws like Zomato, like in Zomato also, if you get bad quality food, they will just refund you with few coupons, but not the entire money. So in that way, they can save.
Whether they did like that, I think you can't get back the money in Food Panda.
I have no idea. I'm thinking so because I did not use it. If they did the same thing, then this would actually help them to reduce their burn cost.
Oh, so you might, according to Ahmad, you might have told that feedback. Some
yes,
feedback is essential. That is nowadays called as feed forwards. Feed forwards mean automatically they will give. They won't ask feedbacks, but automatically you can give the feed forwards. This product is bad, so need not. How the Amazon is giving like that one. Customer reviews they are giving, and they are openly telling everything. Somebody may quote, don't buy this product. I purchased, but it is not working. That is good. Feed forwards. That is missing. So Food Panda spent more amount without seeing the feed forward system. Good, Ahmed. You are in Bangalore or somewhere else?
Bangalore itself, sir.
But I saw, I think, your name in LinkedIn. It shows
yes,
in a
sir.
different place.
Oh, I was in Mysore last week, sir. I just
okay,
came back
okay,
2 days
okay.
back. Yes, sir.
By that time I thought, whether this that Ahmad. Good, Ahmad.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Grishma.
Joshua.
Yes, Joshua. Yes, new idea from Joshua.
So basically, like they've already tried, like partnering up with other companies, and yet it still like went with the loss. So basically it's the problem is with the the foundation which they laid the company to start up with. So in order to do it, just dismantle the previous, like whatever they built upon, and then like cop, not like copy in a sense, but borrow like the profitable ideas that other companies have already worked on. It's not like companies that like completely shut down their ideas. They make it public, right? So just like how it's like how do I say? So I know this is going to be like, different, but then like how are like the Indian constitution is borrowed like many other stuff from other already well developed countries, and then we involved it within ours. So basically just do that.
You assume that infrastructure, technical infrastructure, huh?
Not the infrastructure, so it's like how the company was founded on, right? They would have had their initial ideas, and then they would have worked upon that. So change that, and then like get in ideas from other well profitable companies.
Yes, good. They fail to get the idea from others. Yes, so according to him, it is called a social currency. Nowadays, if you want to run your business, some social currency is known. That you have to get ideas. That is why previously, when I was a kid, I used to see some of the stores with cinema star name. Even in case of Bangalore, I've seen some of the store, when you enter into a tea stall, you can see the Amitabh Bachchan is along with the tea stall. The actor, once upon a time, the Rajkumar, I think some of you know, famous Kannada actor, the tea stall, they used to put their image along with the tea stall owner. And tea stall owner, along with Rajkumar, used to stand in a photograph. I don't know whether it was true, but it used to create a social currency. And it means that not only advertising, but new ideas, they got it based upon that one. Okay, good, Joshua. Okay, Grishma. Call next.
Nitish Kumar.
Nitish.
Sir,
Yes,
like
Nitish.
to reduce the band rate, I will provide subscription-based model to my customers, sir.
Oh, nice. Subscription-based
So
model.
thereby, yeah, sir. Yeah, like thereby they can get a free delivery for a month. So so it will not affect my ambience also as well, sir. So I can get some money also. So if you see people also, they will not order the food for the whole month. Like for a month they will order for 1 or 2 days only, right? So
Yes.
it will ultimately reduce my band rate.
Good, Nitish. Like Amazon Prime model, huh? Amazon Prime, it is working like that. I think every month they are charging 119 something, I know. And it is attracting the customers. And of course, if you are in Amazon Prime, they are giving good benefit. Even you can see the cinemas, you can hear nice songs. Plus, you are getting the benefit when you are buying the product. They have mentioned free delivery, whether it is true or not, but you can see a method of promoting to reduce the band rate, the subscription model. So according to him, he mentioned that even we can re-engineer. Somebody told same thing, but in a different model, re-engineering that one to the business model to the subscription model. Very good idea, Nitish. Okay. Grishma.
Neha.
Megha.
Uh,
Yes,
good
Megha.
Neha, sir.
Oh, Neha. Okay. Because in MBA, there is one girl named Megha from Calicut.
I'm from Bangalore, sir.
You are from Bangalore. Okay, tell me, Neha.
Sir, I agreed with Krishnendu's idea as well as Ahmed what he told. A feedback option should have been available in Food Panda because sometimes when I used to order food, sometimes the quality and the quantity what they used to tell, the feedback option was not there. So it was very difficult for us to like get the food at the comfort thing. And one more thing is like if it's not if it's not working, they can tie up with a brand which is already in pace and which is already working in a zoom speed. So instead of being on their own, they can tie up with someone so they can they can progress their growth, and later they can cut down after they progress their growth. They can cut down the ties with the other. That's what I think.
Oh, it is very old and golden model. In those days, they used to tell like that. If you want to do a business, first do not start your own business. Join hands with somebody and start your business. So even in case of OYO, it did like that. They created number of persons in different place. They collaborated first. They started, but now they are facing a different problem. Even Ola, they linked with number of drivers first. Their model was like that. So she is telling a very old and golden model. Okay, good, Meha.
Divya.
Divya.
Yeah.
Yes.
So when we look at the article that you provided, sir, it says that the major problem that Food Panda was facing was like high discounts and high delivery charges. So like what Zomato does is like they provide these offers like meals for one, where they would incorporate the delivery charge. They like make it look like they are cutting down the delivery charges. Also, they are incorporating discounts. But when we actually analyze it, there's no much difference. So the customer is also satisfied because they are getting the item like at a lower range, but the owner is also like making a good amount of profit out of it because the uh, order rate would be higher because the lower charges, obviously the customer would be more attracted towards these offers. So Food Panda can just incorporate like such offers, not that just providing some random offers like buy one shake and get another free. So they can actually work smartly with the discounts. So
Oh, so according to you, minimum order condition is essential. Huh?
yes, sir.
Okay. In technical terms, we used to call it as EOQ, that is economic ordering quantity. In case of such type of delivery apps, you must know that one also. Economic ordering quantity, minimum amount you have to order. Once Amazon, when it was introduced, they introduced like that minimum amount you have to order for 150 rupees something. No, no, no. By that time, 500 rupees. Then it reduced. Now you can even order for 100 rupees. They reduced it lastly. Even now, in case of Amazon, if you are ordering through from a big bazaar, they quoted minimum amount you have to order from big bazaar. They used to mention. You can use the Amazon app for ordering in the big bazaar through Amazon. I think minimum 600 rupees something they quoted. Very good answer. Divya, she clearly mentioned minimum quantity to be ordered, economic quantity. Good. Next, please.
Cecilia.
Cecilia.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Uh,
ma.
so, the point that I had in mind, Nitish had already spoken about it. That is providing subscription-based memberships. Uh, so we can incorporate premium subscriptions where people can avail certain privileges or offers based on their subscriptions. Like for example, Zomato Gold gives like a lot of offers when you go. There are like 1+1s and like things like that on either food or drinks or whatever. And I also had another one in mind since I am from a psychological stream. I thought it is really important to understand consumer psychology and be able to influence the consumer perception of your brand. So recently I saw a post by Burger King, the food joint, where they were actually encouraging consumers to order food or purchase food from other food joints. So they were not trying to market their own products, but they were trying to support similar sister food joints because of the pandemic and like the issue that is going on now. So I think that way, like it's like a Burger King kind of one up. They have like a good reputation among people, so it obviously influences consumer psychology, which will be a sort of motivation for them to actually support them.
Okay, good. So according to you, directly mentioned that they have to invest in consumer psychology. Nice. Even I came to notice Zomato, what you mentioned, they are doing like that. Gold offer, premium offers. They understand the psychology. I told the example of today how the Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, how they are identifying our behavior. And so I don't know what is that artificial intelligence technology, how they identified our psychology, and they are giving to the product according to our needs. Very good idea. Okay, good, Cecilia. Yes,
Kirtana.
Kirtana. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Kirtana, come on.
So what I would tell is that when you're starting a company or something like that, you shouldn't look back. In the reasons were given that the losses because of the discounts and things like that. But then actually speaking, when Zomato, Swiggy, everything opened, the discount rate was actually the same. Zomato, in fact, had a better discount rates. In the beginning of Zomato, they had 50% discounts and such things for particular hotels. So the thing is that initially there would be burnouts, like more burnouts, but then you have to well, in starting you have to show more discounts, but then gradually I'll have to reduce. That is how consumer psychology works. You have to make customer as yours. Then later when you get more, you'll have to decrease it or not completely decrease it. Benefit both the way for yourself and the company as well. So that is what I think where
Okay. So you are telling the
Food Panda
balancing act. Huh?
Yes, sir.
The band rate depends upon how you are balancing
Yes,
the
sir.
customer offers and the offers of the other organization. Of course,
Because
yes, good. It is also right. It is also called as balancing tool offers, BTO. In technical terms in marketing, we used to call it as BTO, balancing tool offer, because something to catch a big fish, we have to throw some of the small fish.
Yes, sir.
That is the thing. So the offers are introduced only for this purpose, to catch a big fish. I visited I think last week, before that one, to Pothys. That is new store which was very famous in Tamil Nadu. They told now they have opened the store, I think nearby Majestic. Some of you know the yes.
Yes, sir. One saree, if you buy one saree, you'll be getting other two
Yes.
saree more.
The
Cane silk,
ambience they
so many
set up like that. When
Yes,
he
sir.
entered along with my wife, we used to see that one. Then they given one is 1+1. When we are coming out, we are thinking, why can't we can buy something new? That silk saree or new model saree for Christmas, you can see that one. That's what they are given a discount for buying a big product.
Yes, sir.
A nice strategy of both this. I think, Kirtana, have you gone there?
Yes, I have been there. I've
Oh,
been to
both is.
and many other similar things, sir. KM
Oh,
silks, they all do the same thing.
oh, yes, nice. So that is another interesting thing I noticed that. Good. So, eh, according to Kirtana, to ban a particular cost, we can create another small cost for that one. That is the one technique we are using. Good, Kirtana, nice strategy.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Senji Padiara.
Uma Sanchi. Yes.
Sir.
Yes. First time you are speaking.
No,
Good.
sir.
Because in my list, this is first time you are coming. Good. Anyhow, I'm able to hear your voice. Good. Oh, Sen.
We
Okay. Good.
talked about the marriage things and also.
Yes.
I think the Food Panda, like they, someone don't know if the orders get cancelled. It's not inquired about the backup. So that's also a loss for when looking at the site. And the delivery guys, they should have a proper payment options. Like some may not be with hand on cashes and all. But most of the delivery, like if we look into Zomato and also we can see some people they don't know, they won't be having a Google Pay. It's a basic pay option for nowadays. So they won't be having, and the customers will also get dissatisfied by all these things. I think that should be improved in all of the
Yes. So according to you, the payment system they have to change. Huh?
like it should be like we know nowadays Google Pay is
Yes, Google
accepted in
Pay.
everywhere.
Hmm.
Like some delivery guys, they don't even know what the Google Pay. Like they may be aged or something like that. They not be knowing much about that.
Hmm.
So I think it should a proper instruction should be given to all of the delivery guys, so it can increase their they can get attracted by the customers.
Oh, nice. Where you are in? Whether you are in Bangalore,
No, sir, I'm Kerala.
Kerala. Whether you are using Google Pay there.
Yeah, now here also we can use in the stores and all for Google Pay.
Oh, nice. But when I visited one place near Kottayam, that is in nearby Pattanamthitta, something else. There they are not ready to accept Google Pay. That is why I'm
Yeah,
asking.
there are some shops where they won't accept the Google Pays and all. But nowadays the UPI IDs are all they keep the board all over the shops because it's a tourist area actually our place.
Oh, where you are then? Which tourist
It's
place?
Tekadi.
Tekadi. Oh,
Yes.
nice. I have seen the Tekadi visited. Then one Shah Rukh Khan film shooted there, you know.
That's in Munnar, sir.
Monara. Okay, okay. Okay, good, son. After a long time hearing your voice. Good. Okay, Grishma, next.
Jikki V Sam.
Jiki. He will tell a new idea in a different mode. Yes, Jiki?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Jiki, start. I am
Sir,
expecting new idea from you.
sir, in Food Panda to attract new customers, we can offer the existing customer uh, special offer, like you bring in two new customers and we will give you one food product for free.
Oh, bring new two customers, give.
And so based on the preference, you can get a food product for free, sir. It can be pizza or biryani or something like that. So but you are getting two new customers into Food Panda. So
Very good idea. That
so
is
at the same time, the owner and the customer is happy, sir.
Good. Once upon a time, we were having such type of thing in case of Amway. I don't know whether anybody used the Amway. Now it is not there, I think so. I don't know clearly. In Bangalore, Amway was very famous. What Jiki is telling, same thing. But Jiki
Sir?
is, yes?
Sir, yes, I used Amway products, and there was a thing like even still now, there are people who they are the head and they find more people and they get incentives on that. Again, those people bring more people and they become another head like that. It's a chain system, sir.
Yes.
Continues.
Good. As Shreya mentioned, this is a chain. So I
Hello,
think
sir.
Jiki is, yes, Nitin?
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, it is called multi-level marketing. right, sir?
Multi-level marketing, yes. It is a
So
multi-level marketing.
I heard that those kind of company don't last, sir, for long. Why,
But
sir?
yes, that is why I'm asking whether Amway is there. But Shreya is telling still it is there. I used Amway, I purchased Amway for 6 years back, not now. By those time in Bangalore, Amway was very famous. When I returned from Coimbatore during weekend days, we used to buy some products from Amway. They created a very big channels, multi-level channels, multi-level marketing they created. Very good. Anyhow, Jiki created a new strategy. Add two customers, you can get the discount. So that how Jiki is managing the runway, when we have to land, when we have to take off. So you have to manage takeoff and landing. Good, Jiki.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Grishma. Next.
Stephen A.
Whom?
Stephen.
Stephen. Okay. Stephen. What happened, Stephen? Whether he Mic is not.
Sir, excuse me.
Yes, Stephen, come on.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, so what I thought is, like Swiggy, like they've been to every places. Like one girl mentioned, like petty shops and all that. So I've noticed that Food Panda is like they take services only from the restaurants which are like you can say posh and little bit costly food. So my suggestion is Food Panda should also go to the places where people actually find the food in less costly, and and they should also get services from more restaurants where Swiggy and the other food delivery apps have not reached.
But
So in
everywhere
this,
Swiggy and Zomato is there,
yeah, sir.
in
And my
Bangalore.
suggestion is like they should find new restaurants, sir, which are like just opening and they haven't.
But I am seeing Swiggy is anywhere. Even small restaurants I have seen in Kotanur kitchen. Even from Kotanur kitchen, they are bringing food.
That's the thing, sir. The Food Panda is lacking in that, sir. So they should actually reach to those services, and they can actually gain the profit from them, and also they should reduce the cost of the delivery.
That is the problem, They find it very difficult how they can reduce. Huh? That is the question, Stephen.
Yeah.
Yes, try. Your photo shows you are somewhere in street. Huh?
No, it's near Kamanalli.
Near Kamanalli only. Oh, you are nicely sitting in one restaurant and seeing how we can reduce the cost. Good.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any other try to find out what is the cost? In case of Kamanalli, there are a number of restaurants are there. Even most of the restaurants in Kamanalli, compared to 5 years back, it failed.
Yes, sir. That's what, sir. Like I've seen a lot of restaurants that where Food Panda is not there, only Zomato and Swiggy is there.
Yes.
So that's why I was like being suggestion to Food Panda should also contact with those restaurants which they haven't the services.
But some of them say that huge cost, huge rent we have to pay in Kamanalli. That is the reason. But I don't know exactly what happened in Kamanalli. There's a failure because of a huge band rate. Okay, good, Stephen.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Flency.
Flency.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, ma. You are audible, Flency.
Sir, I think they could actually work on the app itself. Like, I feel that it might cost a bit in the beginning, but definitely it'll be better in the long run because it should be a little more user friendly. That's what I.
But I think in those days, Food Panda app was user friendly.
Yeah,
They
but
told like that because in
when
those
it
days we are not seeing Swiggy and Zomato fully.
when it comes to the other apps, it's I feel that it's more attractive, like compared to what to say Food Panda. Probably if they could make a little bit, way to put the best dishes, or like they are doing that, but then probably put dishes that actually attract people, the way how they arrange it in the app. So I think that it could have a better effect.
Oh, but I don't know about exactly what is the failure in the app. I have used once this Food Panda app. It worked, but even then, some of them, even in Swiggy, they are telling it is not user friendly for some cases.
Yeah.
When to identify the calculating the time, everything. But I think whether it is normal one or abnormal one, but of course, there should be a linkage between the delivery system as well as the app. Maybe the technology students may find out the way for that one. Okay, good, Flency. Grishma, you can call next.
Samyukta.
Samyukta, okay. Frequently she will
Hello?
face
No?
problem. Yeah, you are audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, according to me, Food Panda is not good at tracking the food, sir. Like customers can't track properly where the food
So
is.
you are telling that Yeah, even in their operational activity, there is a failure in the app.
Yes, sir. Comparing to Zomato and Swiggy, it's lacking that.
So operational failure is the reason.
Yes, sir.
Not any other reason. So they failed to spend cost in their operational part. Okay, Samyukta, where you are, whether you return back to Bangalore or in your native place, Chikmagalur?
Not Chikmagalur, sir. Chikbalapur.
Chikbalapur. You are there only. Huh?
Yes, sir.
You are today. Your audio is good. You are not facing any problem today.
No, sir.
Okay, ma. Good. Okay, next, Grishma.
Rashmita.
Rashmita. Yes. Yes, Rashmita. Come on. What happened to you? Your voice is not coming. Rashmita, you are muting yourself. Unmute yourself. Rashmita, unmute yourself. Yes, now start talking. Okay, I think some issues with your some sound is coming. Okay, Grishma, you can call next. We'll call
Sandra Susan.
Sandra.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sandra.
Sir, what I thought was maybe they could, create a team, like train them, and then go on with the delivery services as such.
So
Because
once again,
since they
you are
had
telling
issues with
the
the
training. Huh? Somebody
yeah,
already
sir.
told you.
Yeah, even I had the similar idea. Basically, to develop a team so that wherever they are lacking, they can improve in that area. And in the matter of discounts and all, I don't think it's they need to give a lot of offers. They need to basically identify where the expense is happening the most. That's the first thing, and then you need to work on it. So if the
Okay,
expense
once.
in discount criteria, we need to reduce that and suggest some like a limit, like if you purchase for like rupees 500, then you get an offer, like that, some criteria, and then go on with the offers, not like overboarding with the offers.
Overboarding with the offer. Good.
Yeah,
The
that's what I
same
thought.
thing indirectly EOQ, but this is the maximum level. Some of them, without knowing the maximum order, they used to put the orders, they are unable to give on time. That is maximum overload. That is possible even in case of Swiggy, some cases. Or
Yeah.
if you are ordering for birthday parties, if you are celebrating your birthday, suddenly first they will assume that you are a normal person and they will plan. But birthday party means you will receive huge one. So
Yeah.
they are finding difficult now in case of Swiggy also. Good. So I think whether you celebrated your birthday by ordering from Food Panda.
No, sir, I've never used that app.
Okay, now you are using Swiggy or Zomato.
No, sir, I don't use it.
Oh, you are not using.
Yeah,
Okay, no
used to use
problem.
Swiggy, sir. Swiggy. Yeah.
Okay, good idea. Krishma, anybody is there or we will wind up?
Prudvi.
Okay, last one, Ridvi. After that, you can
Hello,
give.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, why can't we introduce few games such as like nowadays like IPL is going on, right, sir?
Yes,
These
good.
Google Pay have some games so that they are giving some cards like not subscription model, like few cards like family
privilege
family
card.
packages like family packages like that. If we introduce few games, these children know, sir, they will play and then they will get few cards. Because of that, family members will get family packages like biryani, combo packs and all, so that they will get to know there is an app like this.
And then
Okay.
when it comes to the online business, timing is more important, no sir.
Yes.
If the
Good.
customer is already like he was like so hungry, the delivery boy should have to delivery that product on time.
Yes.
If it is
Good.
not happen, if it's not happened, then definitely he will get like angry and all. So he will get bad impression on that app. So it will not be developed. That's what I
Yes.
personally thought.
Very good answer. Another good answer from you. How Prithvi is matching the hungry man. That is the core value of the app there. If you are hungry, if you are ordering through that one, you are able to get the food quickly. That is important. Even in case of Swiggy, everything, we are ordering only if there is rain. Otherwise, I won't make order. But you have to
And
think
sir,
that one. Yes, Prithvi.
and one more thing, sir, that advertisement, sir, it should be in the manner like the advertisement should have to understand like everyone. It should be understood by everyone.
Yes,
There
somebody
is
said
an
psychology, consumer psychology. Okay, good, Prithvi.
that's what I think, sir.
Okay,
Thank
now
you, sir.
Grishma, you can sum up your words. Anything.
So I'll sum up with the solutions what everyone has come up with.
Yes, you can give based upon that. You can give in a single line.
So most of them have come up with the scratch cards and hiring local people and training about the technical knowledge to the delivery boys and feed forwards, social currency, subscription models, premium subscription models, tie up with others, and understanding customer psychology and having more offers and change in the payment system and attracting the new customers with the help of old customers and app remodeling so that it can attract more customers and like Prithvi said at the last, introducing the games.
Oh, nice. Okay, good. Okay, dear students, now you will understand how to create an app. That is the reason somebody mentioned Operation of India. When the same case has been given in IIM Ahmedabad during last month, no, they identified the same reason, the delivery reason. The delivery is very important thing. In case of app, most of them are in thinking vacuum. They think their app is working well, but how you will manage only with the help of delivery persons. If even if you are ordering in Swiggy, the delivery person should pick up the same order and give to the customer, and the time everything should be noted, and your app should work effectively in this area. In Foodpanda, the discount system, everything worked well. There is nothing, even though it is banning too much, the advertisement cost, everything, it is banning too much. It worked well. But the failure in the part, according to their discussion, is the delivery system, especially even what Prithvi told lastly, for a hungry man, how you will provide quickly. The delivery, some cases it is tough. Foodpanda refused to give you additional salary to the delivery person to give the food on time. That was the reason identified. Say, for example, I am sitting in Narayanabra Cross in KJC. I am ordering from Swiggy, maybe from Kamanahalli, from Kamanahalli A to B. Ordering means Swiggy is able to deliver me within half an hour. And the delivery person sometimes may demand, no, I am unable to go. Narayanabra Cross, I have to go. Kannur, I have to go. Nearby Kotanur, it takes more time. If I want to go, I need huge remuneration. Suddenly, he may increase his rate. That was the problem faced by Foodpanda by that time. Foodpanda is unable to have a good HR policy. They spend huge in marketing, but their ban rate is high in case of their HR policy for the delivery boys. That was the reason, but actually we don't know. But you must know the ban rate in this example. They in IIM Ahmedabad, they mentioned that that is the reason for the huge banning rate. But your answers are very nice. I appreciate all the students who participated. Very nice discussion. Based upon that, you must know the exact concept of band rate. Of course, we have to discuss 2 more case studies. With this, we will close our class. We will continue the discussion. Possibly next week, I don't know about your exam schedule. We may have class on Monday or may not have. It depends upon your exam schedule. We will see how it will work. Okay. Thank you. Very nice discussion. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Have a
Thank you,
nice
sir.
weekend,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.